So today is Thanksgiving, and I wrote a algorithm that makes magic squares. What's a magic square? Let's get it, well, here, let you see what it looks like very quickly. There we are. Okay, so let's get it going. A magic square is a square that has an odd number, in my case, an odd number of cells in rows or columns. What makes it magic is that the numbers in each row or each column all add up to the same number, and also in the diagonals. I'm going to use this as a kind of a teaching square, so I'm going to show you the method that my algorithm, anyway, there are different algorithms besides mine, but this is the one that mine uses. You start always in the center of the top with your 1, and then you try to move diagonally up to the right. So there's nothing there, so you drop to the bottom, drop to the opposite end for the 2, and then you try to move again to the right and try again to the right. So there's no room for the 4, so you go to the opposite side, put in the 4. Again, you move to the right. Now what happens when you get blocked? Well, the 6 can't go there because the 1 is already there, so you put it underneath the 5. Then move to the right, then move to the right, then try to move to the right again. No room for the 9 up there, so we drop it down to the bottom again. Try to move up to the right, can't move it there. 10 goes to the opposite side. Try to move up, can't, it's already blocked, so put it underneath the 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, for the 16, you could try to put it up here, but that's not going to work. And why? I'm not sure. It drops underneath, but it does. Then you try to go up to the right, and there's no space, so you bring it over to the 17 on the opposite side, and then up to the 18, nothing there, so you drop to the bottom. 19, 20, you're blocked, so put 21 under the 20. 22, no room here because there's no space. Drop it till the opposite side. 23, 24, and again 25. No room up there, so drop it to the bottom. Now that's the method, poorly explained, but that's the method. And so now I'm going to show you this method can only be used, incidentally, in orders of that are odd numbers. So here's the same method being used with the numbers, with the odd number of 7, and here's 9, and here's 11. And you'll notice that we're running out of room, and that the magic constant each time, of course, gets bigger and bigger. So this means that all of these, if added together, would come to 1105. All of these, if added together, all the rows, all the columns, if added together, all the numbers in that column or that row would equal 1105. That was 13. Let's try some more. There's 15. There's 17. Now this is as far as I went because I'm running out of room. But if you added all of those numbers together in any row or any column, you'd get 3439. And that's called the magic constant. And that's enough for one Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching.